In more COVID-19 related news now, after more than 3 months of delays, the Falmouth Field Hospital in Trelawney has been completed. The 36-bed facility will begin treating COVID-19 patients tomorrow. Javon Keys reports.
Final preparations made. The COVID-19 field hospital on the compound of the Falmouth Hospital in Trelawney is ready to go, and with the number of COVID-19 positive cases reaching a new 24-hour record of 723 positive cases and hospitalizations at 271, it's not a day too soon. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton said COVID-19 patients will begin to have access to the facility starting Monday.
The team has put in all the infrastructure, the beds, the piping, the equipment for oxygen, for all the support systems that are necessary for our COVID patients. It's a very timely delivery of this asset, because what it means is that we now have 36 additional beds to add to this western region.
And with the Cornwall Regional Hospital at about 130% of capacity for COVID-19 patients and hospitalization expected to rise significantly, it's a well-needed facility. Dr. Tufton also says recruitment has been ongoing to get adequate staff for the facility. The field hospital is, however, much later than the initial projections. Ground was broken in September 2020 and it was expected to be completed by the end of November 2020.
The few months has been largely weather related. There was a lot of rain for about a month, almost every other day, and this is a low-lying area. There's flooding, and it was very difficult to maneuver. And so we made provisions for that, and I think it was reasonable. If we didn't have that rain, we would have met the timelines.
This would have also prompted additional spending for the construction, initially set for almost $200 million. The minister says the cost for landscaping also went above the original budget. Javon Keys, TVJ News.